The first thing that I want to explain is the Rednet, the Red16 line, which is in both the small rooms, the Trident Room and the SSL 900 room. This comes up automatically without being on the network because it's coming off of the Thunderbolt connection on the computer. And it comes up, this tab, it comes up as Red16 Line. And it basically has a bunch of settings that we have to realize. When we load in the two presets on this, you'll see it's under, you go up here under File, right there at the top, and you open up Device Load, right here. And you will see Setup 1 and Setup 2. Those will be, and they come up showing they're active. Setup 1 is used for Pro Tools as a 16-channel return into the Trident for mixes through the console. Basically, 16 returns, so you could make stems out of Pro Tools and then mixing through the channels using the EQs and the things in the console. Where normally I was just coming through channels 1 and 2 and doing a stereo. This is for showing students how to do full mixes through the console. The other is Setup 2, which is used for the NDI and the Dante environment that is coming. So this is the first thing you want to check. When you open up, you want to go to the Rednet control. You want to go up to Device Load. And so let's say we were loading Setup 1. We would click on that. We would click Open. It's going to ask us what device it wants to see and if there are multiple devices. In this case, there's just one. So when we load it, it loads in. Once it's loaded, the most important thing is you see all the outputs went to 0. They do that because with the new load, you wouldn't want your studio with volumes way up and all of a sudden something comes shooting through. So you have to remember that every time a Rednet 16 line is loaded, you have to go back in and turn all the volumes up like this. If you don't, it will be playing in the red line, but you won't be hearing it on the outputs, and you'll be going crazy.